Pearl accountants, we know that bookkeeping can be a bit of a chore. For those of you who do your own bookkeeping, we have a bunch of tips on how you can speed that up. We have so many tips that putting them all in a video might take all day, and we know you're busy. So instead, we're going to give you a summary of the most important tips, and you can check out our detailed blog post for the rest of them. The link is in the description. The first and foremost thing you must do is to stop using something like Excel to manage your accounting and get onto the cloud accounting software such as QuickBooks, Xero, Free Agent, or similar tools. These tools take much of the time of bookkeeping away from you. They can also automatically match transactions in your bank accounts, which saves a lot of time. Another tip is to sign up for auto entry or receipt bank. These are tools which automatically read data from scanned receipts and put them straight into your bookkeeping software without you having to type a thing. Another tip, a major time waster when doing bookkeeping, is having your phone connected to social media and emails. You need to turn off notifications for those things when you do your bookkeeping so that you don't get distracted and need to do things over again. Use Zapier to automatically add contacts, raise invoices, or mark invoices paid in your accounting software. You can integrate it with Go Cardless, PayPal, Stripe Payments, MailChimp, Facebook lead ads, so many things. Using Zapier has been a major savior for us at Pearl Accountants. You could use an electronic signature tool such as DocuSign or Proposify for your quotes. When those quotes are electronically signed by your leads, you can use Zapier to automatically generate an invoice for you. For those sole traders amongst you, a big time waster is mixing business accounts with your personal accounts. You definitely need to have those separate to save time. Backups, backups, backups. You have to make backups of your bookkeeping. Nothing wastes more time than losing everything you've done because you didn't make a backup. Most online accounting tools provide a backup option as part of their system. Make sure you use it. Lastly, the most important thing you must do is realize that bookkeeping is actually a lot of fun. Yep, you heard me right. I know it might be difficult to think of something as fun when part of doing it is figuring out how much you have to pay the tax office. But bookkeeping determines if your business is profitable or heading for the rocks. It lets you know if there is something to address urgently, or if you can afford to spend more cash on marketing so you can get even more business. Without bookkeeping, you're operating blindly, and that's no fun at all. If you think of bookkeeping as something vital you need to do to return a profit and be successful, you'll find that you'll do a far more efficient and effective job. So that's 6, 7, 8 tips. Not even touching the tip of the iceberg. Click the link in the description to go to the accompanying blog post where you get all 25 tips to speed up your bookkeeping.